guys, and welcome back to my channel. I figured I would kind of jump on the bandwagon of these Venom movie poster inspired looks that I've been seeing all over. I wanted to do this back in October, but I did not have time. So this is kind of a Lady Venom look inspired by the movie poster. As always, all the products, my social media, and the music used will be listed in the description, and with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. So I started by applying the latex prosthetic. I made this by sculpting the general shape on my life cast, then I stippled layers of latex over top the sculpt and strengthened it with layers of tissue between each latex layer. To achieve the texture, I put latex in a little squeezy bottle and piped all of the little veins on. And the eye is made from Super Sculpey. It was pretty easy and very effective. Once applied, I painted half my body and the prosthetic black. I painted inside the large mouth with red body paint. And I painted the eye white. To get that gross stringy wet look, I layered gelatin over the prosthetic and half of my body. I mixed up a batch of gelatin and tinted it black with cream makeup. Using this method of applying gelatin can be a bit tricky due to the temperature. You have to let it cool quite a bit so it won't cause any burns, but if you let it cool too much, it won't have a good stretch to it anymore. The best way to check the temperature and consistency is on your wrist. It's a lot of trial and error, and you'll have to work quickly and reheat the gelatin a few times while applying it. The gelatin stuck to the latex just fine, but didn't want to stick to my body paint covered chest, so I applied a layer of Prosade over the black to help the gelatin adhere. Once I had all of the gelatin applied, I used black body paint to add the little creepy wormy edges along the center line. I already had my base everyday makeup on, but I added a bit of highlight under my eye and contoured my cheek and jawline. I used brown eyeshadow to define my crease, and I smoked it out with black eyeshadow. I highlighted my face with a white shimmery eyeshadow. To make the gelatin look really wet and gross, I applied very shimmery silver eyeshadow over top. I added a drop shadow beneath all the details along the center line using brown eyeshadow so they looked like they were really on top of the skin. And I used white body paint to add a highlight to each little string to really make them pop forward. I applied lipstick to the regular side of my mouth. I added a bit of depth to the gaping mouth using black eyeshadow. I made the teeth out of Super Sculpey and I glued them into the prosthetic using Prosade. I based the teeth out with yellow body paint. Last, I shaded along the gum line of each tooth with red body paint. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it, and I'm sorry it took me so long to get this video up. My plans are to get back into YouTube more consistently in the new year, and I've got a few ideas for some fun series that make me really excited to start creating again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations, you have made it to my end screen. Click that top link to check out my last video, or click that bottom link to check out a video YouTube's robots think you'll like. And if you want to make sure you don't miss a single video from me in the future, click that little circle with my face in it to subscribe.